2005, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yo guys, Josh here. So, I haven't done a Lego video in a very long time, and obviously the reason for that is because of the whole change in YouTube. Lego videos are considered for kids, and I make like no money in those videos, so there's almost like no point of me wasting my time building something when even if I get a lot of views, the amount of money made is not much. So this right here, we're first gonna actually start with just talking about this one here. So you're probably wondering, what in the world is this? And the answer to what in the world is this is very simple. This right here was supposed to be this, and this item is from Half-Life 2. If you're familiar about Half-Life 2, you'll know that the Combine carried the like submachine gun, and they also carry this rifle, that advanced rifle. And that rifle has a normal firing, and it has a secondary firing which shoots this, the orb, the energy orb, which vaporizes pretty much anything except for maybe the hunters or striders, the really bigger things it won't destroy. This is, for some reason, I don't know why, but for some reason I thought this again looked like this thing, which was the orb ammo type for it, for the secondary, for the orb, the ammo type thingy. I don't know why I thought this was it, so I thought to myself, why not try and make this again? You just saw it at the very beginning, unless I cut it. This is what I came up with. I gotta be 100% honest, this turned out so much far better than I could possibly imagine. Like, the technique I used this time is I used that piece. You see on the bottom, that the thing that has, I think, the 8 clip pieces, the 2x2 modified with the clip pieces. I faced that down, and up here I faced it up, so I could have really no studs, actually no anti-studs showing. But yeah, the whole thing, this turned out really good. Like, look at the inside of this, and then you look at this. Yeah, this turned out to be so much better than I could have possibly imagined. The cool thing about the interior is I used again, the color scheme I know is weird. I was going to do dark blurish gray / Andor dark gray. The color just didn't seem to match for some reason. I just really didn't like it. And then I was going to use yellow here. Again, I didn't really go with that. But if you can notice, when I bring this close, that neon orange piece is one of those domes, the 4x4 round dome pieces. And it doesn't move because of the way I set it up there. Over the years, my building techniques have advanced from 2000, I think 6 or 7, and then now 2021. So yeah, the techniques increase over the years, the quality increases. I'm able to do, I'm able to build better and cooler things. And what's weird is, look at, I used that piece on the bottom, but I didn't clue in to use the clip pieces, so I don't know, but yeah, there it is. It's just basically, this is symmetrical, so no matter what angle you're looking at, it looks exactly the same. Ooh, that's pretty cool though. Look at, that's actually pretty cool. So yeah, that's about it. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching, and just like always, peace. What are you guys doing here still? Video's over. It's done. Can't you tell because of all the picture frames right there? Oh, there, showing that stuff. Alright.